Athena, born in 1981, is a dedicated registered nurse. Years of stress and long hours in front of a computer led to a pinched nerve in her neck, and with it, relentless headaches. She tried every treatment Western medicine had to offer, living on medication, but nothing brought lasting relief. As a last hope, she came to Kim Acupuncture. After just 4 treatments, the improvement was remarkable. By her 8th session, she felt almost completely healed, and now, she continues regular care to keep her pain-free life.
Could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Athena. I'm 44 years old, and I work as a registered nurse. I've been a nurse for the past 20 years.
How is acupuncture treatment different from the types of treatments you've tried in Western medicine?
Acupuncture is completely different than Western medicine. I started with my acute neck pain probably about 5 years ago, and I did my primary care doctor. I went to a neurologist, a rheumatologist, a sports medicine, a pain doctor. They all recommended medications and massage and chiropractor and physical therapy, and none of those things ever took my pain away completely. And a lot of times, even with the physical therapy and massage and chiropractor, I actually would feel worse after going to them. With acupuncture, it honestly was life-changing. After 4 sessions, I was already off of my medication that I was on from my doctor for the past 4 years. And my headaches decreased. I went longer stretches without having any acute pain in my neck. I was actually able to enjoy going to work and not being in pain. Was having better sleeping, and I was amazed at how quickly things improved from just those few sessions.
Let's go back to the very beginning. What first brought you here?
So what brought me here is I was honestly at my wit's end. I did a lot of praying and crying and talking to my husband about what else can we do to help with this chronic pain, because I needed to be able to be active with my kids and be involved with them. So we went online and looked up acupuncture, and Dr. Kim was highly recommended online and was one of the places that I thought I would try. At that time, my pain level was probably like a 9 or a 10. Constantly, it would go down a little bit each day, but was never able to completely get rid of it. After, like I said, my 4 sessions, my pain level was already down to a 4 and has stayed there and decreased to where now it's maybe a 1 or 2 at the most.
Do you think your pain was related to your work?
I do think that part of the pain was from work, because where I worked before, I worked in an procedure area where I had to wear lead aprons all day long. So that exacerbated my pain. Every day that I worked, I would then come home with acute pain on top of the chronic pain. So I did change to a desk job, but even with the desk job, Dr. Kim gave me recommendations about being sure of my posture and the way that my monitor is. And even with having a desk job and being more prone to possibly have neck issues, I haven't had any increase in my issues.
How many acupuncture sessions have you had so far? And are you planning to continue treatment?
So I've done 8 sessions of acupuncture so far, and I am very interested in doing maintenance because it really has been life-changing. And honestly, the days that I come here, I look forward to it because just even spiritually, like I just feel like it's not just that area that's being worked on, but just like mentally and spiritually, like my whole body has really benefited from this. So I would like to continue a maintenance on it.
In the end, would you recommend acupuncture to others who are struggling with the same condition you had?
Yes, I would definitely recommend acupuncture to other patients. I've already told my dad about it, who has chronic pain. I have a couple coworkers that I used to work with that have chronic pain that I've already talked to them about it and suggested this to them. It's been very beneficial.
Has our YouTube channel, KimAcu, been helpful in your health journey?
Yes, the guidelines and the clips that were sent to me were very beneficial. Especially in the beginning part of signing up, I was required to watch those videos, which helped me just mentally prepare and know what to expect, and then know what things that I needed to do to get the full benefit of my acupuncture treatment.
Lastly, is there anything else you would like to share?
I would just like to say thank you to Dr. Kim for the time that he spends. Or you could tell that he is very aware of what's going on with your body and tailoring the treatment specifically to what I need to be able to help me just get back to a better way of living. So yeah, I would highly recommend acupuncture with Dr. Kim to anybody.
Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
What is cervicalgia? It's neck pain, often caused by a bulging disc or a compressed nerve, and cervicogenic headache. This headache starts in the neck and radiates to the head. Understanding the true cause changes the approach to treatment, which is why the right diagnosis is so important. How can acupuncture help? It relaxes tight muscles, improves circulation, and reduces nerve irritation. By addressing the root cause, it can relieve both neck pain and cervicogenic headaches. Many patients also notice better posture, improved sleep, and overall well-being. Click below to learn more about your condition.